Inkscape is an amazing tool that you could use to make vector graphics. You could do a lot of cool stuff by using a minimum set of tools. If you're thinking of making logos or other similar artwork, this would be your first choice. And also this is open source and free for you to obtain and use. I'm going to demonstrate how to draw a balloon using the Bezier Curves tool. I choose the Bezier Curves tool, then I just create an outline for my balloon, which is not the final thing. So I'd do something like this, something like that. And then I pick the nodes tool, meaning the edit paths tool, and I take off this node and that. That's the first step. Now I drag these handles and create the balloon shape that I like. Something like that. And for this part where the balloon is going to be tied up or knotted, I could actually hold Control and scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in, and that will help you to drag the node further closer to each other. Like so, and make any adjustments you need, any fine adjustments. And we're almost done. So zoom out, holding the Control key. The next thing to do is use this select tool, and let's first fill it up with any color that you like. And I come to this corner, the left bottom corner. This is basically suggesting that I could fill it with nothing, but if I hold the Shift key and click it, it means the stroke color is going to be nothing. So the stroke color, meaning if you notice that there is a black border around this, it's very difficult to see when it's zoomed out. There you are. Okay, so we're going to take that black border out, and to do that I hold down the Shift key and click done. Let's zoom in now and see it's not there. Right. So now our balloon is nearly done. I'd like to make it look a little bit more realistic. So what I'd like to do is make it look as if light is reflecting on this from a certain angle. So for this, what I'll do is first I'll take a circle, place it over there. You wouldn't see it because of the color being the same. Let's just fill it up with white. Let's adjust the circle to whatever we want it to look like. Okay. Let me move it around to the place where you want it exactly. And now, by clicking on the fill options like that, I could blur the circle to whatever extent I like. And when I'm satisfied with the result, I just unselect it. There we are. The balloon's done. Finally, to add a bit of extra features on the balloon, I'd like to tie a cord on this balloon. So I just choose the tool that says Draw Freehand Lines and just stretch it out, and we're done. Now, what we just did is that we have created actually several or multiple vector graphic objects, like the circle with the shadow, with the blur, the balloon itself, and the code. So if I were to move it, it's not going to move as a balloon as a single picture. So what I would like to do is undo that. I'd like to group them all. I'd select the blur object, the balloon, the code, all into one, and right click and say group it. So now if I move it, the whole thing moves together. Right? There we are. That's done. If you'd like to hear from us in the future, make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye for now.